Hi Sunrise, myself Bhumika Shri and I'm from India. First, I would like to thank you very much for this opportunity, for taking your time and seeing my video. So, about me, I can say that I'm a very quick learner and I'm very curious about how each day goes on based on the projects or like day-to-day life. So, I always look forward for the coming days. Coming to my background, I am from Bangalore, India. I started out with Bachelor's of Engineering in Biotechnology. Then I applied for ISIPCA, European Fragrance and Cosmetic Master. I definitely got in, which gave me huge confidence that I can shine in this industry. I always love creating. I would say, like, I love painting, drawing, singing, dancing. So I had many hobbies. I like to do art on weekly basis. I have created many pieces, and these are one of the pieces that I have currently with me, which I can show you. And some of them are in Bangalore. Now I'm in Mumbai. After I got into ISIPCA, I had a great introduction about the fragrance industry. It is a huge ocean and many opportunities are available, which made me feel more motivated that I can become a perfumer. And in ISIPCA, that is when I decided that I want to become a perfumer, experiencing the labs, the raw materials, and I had this burning passion to create fragrances. I created many accords and I also went through Europe and experienced so many things through the tours that I went.
Now there's a short video upcoming which I would like you to watch. This is Amber's Accord Lab during ISIPCA, where I had made short videos of me making the amber perfume.
So I would like to say that in ISIPCA first year we created a piece. So this is our 1 year long tutored project. The whole class, that is the class of 36 students, had a collaborative project working with professors. We had taken the theme of Olympics. Why Olympics is because Olympics is the place where the whole world unites together and has this brewing passion of the sports where every country is looking forward on which country wins in which sport. So we wanted to showcase that since our class is of 25 nationalities. So we created the logo and also the catchphrase that carry the legacy, diffuse the energy. So we wanted to showcase the energy and the passion of the athletes who are performing, and we wanted the people who are watching to feel the same thing from their homes. So we created this, all of our names are in this. Created a room fragrance as well as a sunscreen stick. So this is our room fragrance that we had come up with, and the sunscreen stick is for our lips. So we wanted a moisturized sunscreen stick from the cosmetics team, and the fragrance team, which I was in part of with, we had created a room fragrance, room scented mist, we could say. So the consumers can hang it in there and spray it to get the feeling of Olympics athlete movement and the energetic moments. So we had also created a flyer where we can showcase the direction for the use and how the sunscreen stick was created and the pyramid of the scented mist. So our fragrance name was called Olympic Radiance. We wanted to embark the journey to create the fragrance that is both relaxing as well as invigorating. So each step of the perfume was meticulously planned and also executed to harmonize the elements. So the class was first divided into two groups, cosmetic team as well as the fragrance team. And I was in the fragrance team. The fragrance team was again divided into marketing and R&D teams. In R&D teams, it was again five groups. So everyone had a chance to showcase their own fragrances, and we all voted for the best fragrance. And I was very happy that Professor Roland had appreciated my fragrance, that it smells almost exactly like CK1. It was a very proud moment because I had the intention of sporty fragrance, but I never thought of CK1. I just wanted to get the sporty feel and the cozy feel. So my fragrance was chosen with the votes, but there were few elements definitely missing which we wanted to get further. So the DNA of my fragrance was taken, and all of us created the end fragrance, where we had the top of bergamot, cardamom, and pink pepper. So I wanted lots of pink pepper because pink pepper is a amazing raw material that has both energetic spicy elements, but also there is this red zone that is very cozy. So this was my main thought process of the fragrance. And in the base, wonderful musk, amber, and patchouli. I love patchouli personally, the raw material. So I know that patchouli gives this cozy effect. So we showcased this to about 200 people. So we had created 200 units of the set fragrance mist as well as the sunscreen stick. So the sunscreen stick and fragrance mist was created by all of us. We all did the packaging, assembling of all the things together as a team. So we went from the regulation creation point of view to how we sell our perfume to the consumers. So we went through all the process, we understood so many things. So this was a great project, like a wonderful project, and it was a huge success because many fragrance enthusiasts loved it. And I would actually thank UVSQ and ISIPCA for this huge opportunity. This is all about myself. I am currently working in Keva, fragrances and flavors. So I have joined as a creative intern in evaluation because I want to learn and discover from evaluation and get to the perfumery, because as a perfumer I want to know the evaluation point of view so that I can create quick and effective perfumes. Um, yes, so this is what I wanted to showcase about myself, and I hope I can get through. And I'm looking forward to get in touch with you all. See you all soon. Thank you very much.